In today's world, protecting ourselves from airborne particles and harmful pollutants has never been more crucial. With the rising concerns surrounding air quality and health safety, finding the right respirator can make all the difference. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects, navigating a polluted environment, or simply looking to safeguard your respiratory health, having the right protective gear can be a game changer. In this video, we'll be exploring the 7 best respirators that offer maximum protection. Each of these products has been carefully selected for their quality, effectiveness, and user-friendly design. Let's dive right into our top picks. Number 1. Lement 50-piece KN95 Face Mask. The Lement 50-piece KN95 face mask stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking effective respiratory protection. Designed with a high filtration efficiency, these masks can filter out at least 95% of airborne particles, including dust and pollutants. Each mask features a 5-layer filtration system that ensures durability while maintaining breathability. The ergonomic design fits comfortably on various face shapes, preventing gaps that could allow unfiltered air to enter. The adjustable nose clip allows for a snug fit, which is essential for maximizing effectiveness. Made from soft, skin-friendly materials, these masks can be worn for extended periods without causing irritation. With 50 masks in a pack, they're perfect for personal use or for sharing with family and friends. The Lement TN95 masks also come individually packaged, ensuring hygiene and convenience. This product not only meets industry standards but also provides an excellent balance between comfort and protection. Whether you're out for errands or involved in activities that generate dust, the Lement TN95 face mask is a solid choice for reliable coverage.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Akgk 95 Breathable Face Mask 50 PCS. Next up is the Akgk 95 Breathable Face Mask, a fantastic option for those who prioritize comfort without sacrificing protection. These masks are designed with a unique 5-layer filtration system that effectively blocks harmful particles while maintaining airflow. The breathable fabric is an added bonus, making it easier to wear during long periods, whether you're at home or on the go. The adjustable ear straps ensure a secure fit, eliminating any discomfort that can arise from prolonged use. These masks are also lightweight, making them easy to carry around in your bag or pocket. With 50 masks in a pack, this product is not only cost-effective but also convenient for daily use. The Akgk 95 masks are tested and certified, providing peace of mind that you're using a quality product. Moreover, the sleek design and variety of colors make them a stylish choice for everyday wear. They're perfect for various situations, from running errands to outdoor activities. Ultimately, the Akgk 95 Breathable Face Mask combines comfort, style, and high filtration efficiency, making it a top contender in the KN95 category. Number 3. Funight KN95 Face Masks 50-pack. The Funight KN95 face masks offer another excellent option for those in need of robust respiratory protection. Each mask is engineered with a 5-layer filtration system, ensuring top-notch filtration efficiency. These masks excel in filtering out non-oily particles, making them suitable for a variety of environments, from urban settings to construction sites. One of the standout features of the Funight masks is their ergonomic design, which contours to the face for a secure fit. This minimizes the risk of air leakage, enhancing overall effectiveness. The soft inner lining is gentle against the skin, allowing for comfortable wear throughout the day. Additionally, the adjustable ear loops provide a customizable fit, accommodating a wide range of face shapes and sizes. With 50 masks in each pack, they are perfect for family use or group settings. The masks are also individually packaged, ensuring cleanliness and hygiene. Funight has prioritized user experience, making these masks not just protective but also comfortable for extended wear. Whether you're out for a stroll or engaging in outdoor activities, the Funight KN95 face masks are a reliable choice for maximum protection. Number 4. 3M-N95 Respirator 8511 Cool Flow Valve. Now let's talk about the 3M-N95 Respirator 8511, a trusted name in respiratory protection. This respirator is equipped with a unique cool flow valve, which helps reduce heat and moisture buildup inside the mask. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who need to wear a mask for extended periods, as it enhances comfort significantly. The 8511 model is designed to filter out at least 95% of airborne particles, making it ideal for environments with dust fumes and other hazardous materials. The adjustable nose clip allows for a secure fit, ensuring a tight seal while minimizing fogging for those wearing glasses. The soft inner material adds to the overall comfort, making it suitable for all-day use. Durability is another strong point for the 3M-N95 respirator. It's constructed to withstand demanding conditions without compromising its protective capabilities. This respirator is not just effective, it's also designed with user convenience in mind. The 3M-N95 Respirator 8511 is a top choice for professionals and everyday users alike, offering a balance of comfort, durability, and maximum filtration efficiency. Number 5. AccuMed BNX-N95 Particulate Respirator. The AccuMed BNX-N95 Particulate Respirator is another remarkable product designed for those seeking superior protection from harmful airborne particles. This respirator boasts a filtration efficiency of at least 95%, making it suitable for various situations, including construction work and healthcare settings. The unique design features an adjustable nose clip, ensuring a secure fit while minimizing air leaks. One of the standout features of the AccuMed BNX is its comfortable ear loops. Unlike traditional tie masks, these ear loops make it easy to put on and remove the respirator without hassle. The lightweight material adds to the comfort, allowing for extended wear without irritation. Additionally, this respirator is latex-free, making it suitable for individuals with latex allergies. The AccuMed BNX-N95 is also Niosh approved, which means it meets stringent safety standards. With a pack of 20, it's a practical choice for both individual and family use. Whether you're in a high-risk environment or simply need reliable coverage for everyday activities, the AccuMed BNX-N95 Particulate Respirator offers the protection and comfort you need. Number 6. WWDoll N95 Face Mask 25 Pack 5 Layers. Next on our list is the WWDoll N95 Face Mask, available in a convenient 25 pack. These masks feature a sophisticated 5-layer filtration system that effectively filters out at least 95% of non-oily airborne particles. This makes them an excellent choice for those navigating polluted environments or engaging in activities that may expose them to harmful particles. The design of the WWDoll masks prioritizes comfort and fit. With adjustable ear straps and a moldable nose clip, users can achieve a snug fit that minimizes gaps and enhances filtration efficiency. The materials used are soft and breathable, allowing for comfortable wear over extended periods. Not only do these masks excel in protection, but they also maintain a stylish appearance, with a variety of colors available. The WWDoll N95 masks are also individually packaged, ensuring hygiene and convenience for users. Whether you're running errands or spending time outdoors, these masks deliver reliable protection and comfort, making them a popular choice for many. Number 7. Niosh approved N95 Particulate Respirators. Last but certainly not least, we have the Niosh approved N95 Particulate Respirators. These respirators are a cornerstone in respiratory protection, designed to filter out at least 95% of airborne particles. The Niosh certification guarantees that they meet high standards of safety and effectiveness, making them a trusted choice for both professionals and everyday users. The design of these respirators includes a secure fit with adjustable straps and a flexible nosepiece, ensuring minimal air leaks and maximum comfort. The soft inner lining is gentle on the skin, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. The N95 particulate respirators are lightweight, making them easy to carry and store. These respirators are perfect for a variety of settings, from construction sites to healthcare environments. Their durability ensures they can withstand demanding conditions, providing reliable protection when it matters most. If you're looking for a trusted solution for respiratory safety, Niosh-approved N95 particulate respirators are an excellent option that combines quality, comfort, and efficiency. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best respirators that ensure maximum protection. Each of these products offers unique features, high-quality design, and effective filtration to help you breathe easier in various environments. Remember, the right respirator can significantly impact your health and safety, whether you're tackling a DIY project or navigating a busy city. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and safety tips. Stay safe and take care.